me again. What do I got for you? I have a video here for you, which it's kind of weird. I have this thing. It's a Bluetooth thing. Yes, the L on the Marshall broke off because my kid decided to break it off. But it's a Bluetooth Marshall amp. And I need to take the back off of it because there's a little problem with it. And I'm not sure if it's in there. I'll show you the problem. The problem is when you leave things in a house and those little four-legged critters get in your house. Let me fix this damn thing. Hold on. Here we go. They tend to leave traces of dinner. So, not sure what the hell they're doing, but there's sunflower seeds inside the speaker. So I need to figure out. I mean, they're in there. So I'm going to take it apart. If you want to watch me, be my guest. Now, I'm assuming I could just see her take this off. This off. I don't need a glove on anymore. There we go. Gloves are off. So I'm assuming I gotta take all this out. Now look at that. Fancy little screwdriver. Screws. So anyway, we got this. It's got the little metal things on it. I don't want to lose them. I just want the whatever's in there out of there. I gotta see if it still works too. I don't know what I did with the power cord. Power cord is somewhere. It's one of those standard. I think this is a Sony kind of power cord. So yeah, just me doing random stuff. Dun, 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 dun. Curious to see how much, what do you call it, edible crap is in here. It's even got the, don't fall on the floor. Oh, cool, we didn't lose the piece. We didn't lose it. I lost a spring in my floor last year. I haven't found it yet. And the spring was about, I don't know, maybe like, it was about that big. It was very, very tiny. Come on, stay on there. Don't fall off. I'm using a JIS screwdriver. Japanese Industrial Standard, made in Japan. Do they work better than standard ones? I don't know. They tend to stay in them. Where's this made? China, probably? Where's it made? Doesn't say. Made thing, blah, 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 blah. Electric shock. Marshall model Stanmore, including blah, 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 blah. I hope it's not just in here. Watch it be, I don't know, all chewed up inside. Let's see. Will this come off? This cover? See if we can get it off here. Use the old-fashioned pry bar method. Maybe the whole thing's got to come out. I hope this thing comes apart. I hope it does. Otherwise, I'm just going to break the goddamn thing. I think I paid about $200 for this thing. That's why I don't want to break it. Come on, man. Get off there. Come on. Come on, metal thing. Oh, damn, well, that's not supposed to stay there. Maybe it does stay there. I think it's like glued into the speaker. There we go. Another one bites dust. Now, hopefully, this comes apart. Hopefully. Do we get to pry it open? What's holding it together? Ooh. Oh. Holy crud, man. I don't know if you see that, but There's a whole lot of Rosie in there. Well, if that ain't a fire hazard, I don't know what is. Here, I'm going to show you this. This is ridiculous. There's a whole lot of Rosie in there. I don't know if you can see this, but it's a treasure chest of mouse food. Let's get this out of here. Mouse poo. Like this. Yep. Definitely putting gloves on now. Yeah, there we go. Alrighty. I should just dump this outside. Fun, fun, fun. I wonder if it'll still work. Oh, now I know if I ever take this apart again. To, oh, there we go. Put this right here. Let's dump all this shit out. Here's all the, I don't know if you can see this, but there's a shit ton of, let's turn this way. This is everything that's coming out of here. I'm pretty sure that's not part of the speaker. Sunflower seeds, huh? I guess that's no more good. Look at that. They even chewed on stuff in here. Alright, let's see. Let's dump the rest out. Look at that. Look at a pile of sunflower seeds in there. Ridiculous. There's some more. No, I'm trying not to breathe this in. I'm trying to make too much dust either. Mouse poo. Hantavirus is what mouse poo carries. Let's see now. Let's see if anything's broken in here. Can't even disconnect this. Let's turn it upside down. Let's see. What the hell? Is there any more in here? Bucket here. I think that's it in there. One little seed. Am I going to disinfect the whole box? Probably not. All right, what's in here now? Junk. Yeah, thank you, mice. So anyway, Mousapalooza, huh? Look at that. How crazy is that? Little shit's got in here. Let's put this back on here. Didn't chew any wires. I don't think so. Looks like they just were like, yeah, let's store our food in here. So anyway, I chewed some of the foam padding, but I took out the other foam padding, just back in here, and well, Not much else we can do other than panic and throw it in the garbage, maybe. I'm not throwing it in the garbage. Sorry. If I was one of those folks worried about everything, I would. But if I die of some disease and never come back on this channel, you know why. Because I didn't throw it in the garbage. Anyway, I'll put the screws back in. And I'll let you know how the speaker came out. Fun, fun, fun. Fun. Let's probably take these off now. Most of the shit is gone. But anyway, that's what mice do to my shit. And we have, well, this was in my store, so it wasn't by my, we have cats, and now they've been eating most of them. So yeah. If I can find a cord in here to try it out, I'll try it out. But I don't think I have a plug for this in here. I'll pause the video and try to find a plug. But I don't think I got one. There we go. Ta-da. I don't think I have a plug for this here. Don't think so. This, the boring part. Actually, I'll do the corners first. Now I know if I ever not use this, put a piece of tape over the hole. This way it's not a problem. I should use my Milwaukee electric screwdriver, but you know, that would make sense. But it's at my house somewhere, and I don't know where to put it. There we go. It goes down, 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 down. Actually, I think I like these JS screwdrivers better. The handle's nicer. There we go. I gotta see if I can find a cord. I want to see if I can charge this thing. Not charge it, but get it working. It's a good speaker. It has some really good bass. I don't think I have anything that takes one of those cords. I might. I'll check. I will let you know. Just hang in there and I will boom this thing. So let me turn this light off. This over here. Wait around for 1 second. I'm going to try to find a cord. Okay, folks. I found a cord for this thing. I'll show you. Speaker. Hopefully the cord's the right one. Doesn't explode. And I don't have to set the building on fire. Let's see. Hopefully the damn thing plugs in too. Come on, plug. Okay, let's see. It's plugged in. Standard. Let's see now. Power on. Is it on? It's on. Ooh. Now, I somehow got to test this out. All the letters came off too. That sucks. Source. Hold on. There's no way. I gotta see if I can record this. Hold on. I need a phone. It's Bluetooth. So I'm gonna test it. I'll be right back. Hold on. Well, folks, to end this video, I messed around with it for almost 5 minutes. I got it to connect and it doesn't work. So I'm guessing the mice ate something in there. And this nice little thing doesn't work. It still has an RCA input, which I will try. It doesn't work. I'm gonna put it in the demolition video pile. I will demolish it, cut it up, and turn it into a fish tank if I have to. Other than that, it doesn't work. But I appreciate you watching, waiting, and see what it is. I'm gonna throw it in the junk pile. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell your friends I cleaned out a broken Marshall Mini Stanmore speaker. Thanks for watching. Toodles.